Japan is a country located in East Asia, comprising a chain of islands extending along the Pacific coast. The country has a unique geography, with mountainous terrain making up over 70% of its land area. Japan is home to several active volcanoes and is frequently subjected to earthquakes, typhoons, and tsunamis, making it one of the most seismically active regions in the world. Despite these challenges, Japan has a vibrant and thriving economy. It is the third largest economy in the world, behind only the United States and China, with a gross domestic product of over $5 trillion. The country has highly developed infrastructure and is a global leader in technology and innovation, particularly in the fields of electronics, automobiles, and robotics. Japan's population is around 126 million, making it the 10th most populous country in the world. The country has a high population density, with most people living in urban areas along the coast. Tokyo, the capital city, is the largest metropolitan area in the world with over 37 million residents. The Japanese people have a unique culture and way of life. The country has a rich and diverse history with a legacy of traditional arts, literature, and religion. The country's cultural heritage includes famous landmarks such as Mount Fuji, traditional gardens, and historic temples and shrines. The Japanese economy is highly export-oriented, with a strong focus on manufacturing and international trade. The country is a member of several international organizations, including the United Nations, the World Trade Organization, and the G7. The Japanese economy has experienced some challenges in recent years, including an aging population and slow economic growth. However, the country has responded with a range of policies designed to promote innovation and productivity, including increased investment in technology and research and development. In conclusion, Japan is a country with a unique geography, rich cultural heritage, and a thriving economy. Despite its challenges, the country has a strong and resilient people and is well positioned to continue to play a leading role on the world stage in the years to come.